Children, hope you all are healthy and safe at your home. Today I am going to show you something best out of waste. Here I am going to show you how to make a bookmark by used paper. So let's start. First, with the help of ruler, we have to make a square of 7 cm each side. So we have to draw line of 7 cm to make the box. So your first box is ready. Now beside this box we will make another box of the same length and breadth, that is 7 cm. Each side should be of 7 cm length. Now above the first box, again we will make the third box of same length and breadth, that is 7 cm. Done. Now you can see all the three square boxes. After this, we have to join the two ends of this box diagonally. This box and the box at the top. Done? It's clear? Now by using a scissor we will cut. You will cut this sheet like this. This done. You have to be very careful while cutting the sheets. It should be properly cut. I have used a colored paper, but you can use the used paper or the magazines also to make this bookmark, and after that, according to your own choice, you can decorate that bookmark. Okay, it is not necessary that you are using only this kind of paper. Any kind of paper which is not in use, you can use that paper. Now this is the structure of your bookmark. The structure of your bookmark is ready. Now what to do? First, we have now from this line we have to fold this sheet like this. Done. And after this side also we have to overlap. This side also we have to overlap on it. So scissor bookmark. Now we have overlapped it, and now by using glue we have to paste it. We have to paste like this. Now done. This is your bookmark. Your bookmark is ready. Now if you want, you can decorate it by using different kinds of colors, different types of colors. If you want, you can write any positive thought or anything, whatever you want. Here I am just making a smiley face. You can decorate it with your own choice, whatever you like. Now this is your bookmark. Your bookmark is ready. Now children, you must be thinking that how it is useful for you, how you will use this bookmark. So we can use it in our books and copies. Suppose you are studying and you don't want to study and you have got here. Now what you have to do, you have to put this bookmark like this. So you can insert this bookmark over here and you can close your copies and books. The next day when again you want to open the same page, you don't have to search so much. Very easily you can open this page and you can start your work. That's all.